So, you have influencers and affiliates promoting your Shopify store, which is great. But then the hard question arrives. Which sale came from which person? If you are trying to answer that with spreadsheets, screenshots, and guesswork, you will end up paying the wrong people, missing sales, and slowly losing the creators who actually drive your results. In this video, I will show you exactly how to track influencer and affiliate sales on Shopify the clean way using UpPromote. Quick note before we get into tracking, if you are still building out your roster of creators, UpPromote has a creator discovery tool built right in, so you can search influencers on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, filter by niche, follower count, and engagement rate, and check their audience quality and fake follower estimate before you invite them. So you start with the right people. Once they are on board, the important question becomes making sure every sale is credited to the creator who actually earned it, and that is what the rest of this video is about. Tracking is the part that quietly breaks most programs. If a creator is not sure they are getting credit for their work, they simply stop promoting. So getting this right is what keeps your best people active. UpPromote is built 100% for Shopify, so every click and every sale is tracked live inside your store, with no separate systems to stitch together. It is trusted by more than 250,000 brands, and it holds a 4.9-star rating from over 3,000 reviews. Let me show you how the tracking actually works. Before a tool like this, tracking meant exporting your orders, matching coupon codes by hand, and hoping you paid the right person. It was slow, and it was easy to get wrong. With UpPromote, every sale is already matched to the creator who drove it, so the guesswork is gone and you can trust the numbers you are paying on. If you want to set this up on your own store while you follow along, install UpPromote using my link in the description, which also gets you 20% off. Quick heads up, this video is a paid partnership with UpPromote, and that is my affiliate link, so I may earn a commission if you use it, at no extra cost to you. UpPromote tracks referrals through 4 main methods: affiliate links, coupon codes, connected customers, and connected products. But affiliate links and coupon codes are the most common, so those are the 2 we will focus on. Every affiliate or influencer you approve gets a unique link and a personal coupon code. When someone clicks that link, UpPromote saves a cookie, so even if the customer comes back and buys a few days later, the sale is still credited to the right creator. You control that cookie window, and it is usually around 30 days or longer for higher-priced products where people take more time to decide. The coupon code covers everywhere a link cannot go, like Instagram or TikTok. And if a customer clicks one creator's link but then uses another creator's code, a simple last-click rule decides who gets the credit, so there is never any confusion about who earned the sale. Now, here is a problem I have seen ruin tracking. A coupon code leaks onto a public coupon site, random people start using it, and suddenly a creator is getting paid for sales they never actually drove. UpPromote solves this with the anti-leak discount. The customer still gets their discount automatically, but there is no public code to copy, so credit only goes to the creator who truly brought the sale. Your data stays clean, and your margins stay protected. This is where everything comes together in the Referrals Dashboard. Here you can see every single sale an affiliate has driven, the order it is tied to, and the exact commission that is owed. Let me show you. You can see each referral, the sale amount, and which creator it came from. And if a customer returns an item and gets a refund, UpPromote removes that commission automatically, so you never pay out on a sale that did not stick. You can also click into any order and see the full journey, from the first click to the store visit to the purchase, so you know exactly how each sale happened, not just that it happened. That level of detail matters, because when a creator asks why a sale did or did not count, you have a clear answer, and they keep trusting the program. There is also a holding period you can set, usually around 30 days, so a commission is only released after the refund window has closed. That protects you from paying out on a sale that later gets returned. Once the holding period passes, you simply approve the commission and it is ready to pay. Beyond individual sales, the analytics give you the bigger picture, your total clicks, your conversion rate, and your top creators, so you can see who is really moving the needle and reward them for it. When it is time to pay, you review the tracked commissions, approve them, and pay out, either manually or automatically through PayPal on the paid plans. No spreadsheets and no detective work. The numbers are already done for you. And this scales with you. More than 3,500 Shopify Plus brands, some doing tens of millions in sales, track their creators on UpPromote, and it tracked over $1 billion in sales in a single year. It handles a handful of affiliates or thousands of them with the same clean tracking at every stage of growth. So that is how you track influencer and affiliate sales on Shopify without the guesswork. Every sale tied to the right person, refunds handled for you, and clear analytics so you always know who to reward. If you want this on your store, use my link in the description and the pinned comment to install UpPromote, and your 20% discount is applied automatically. Thanks to UpPromote for sponsoring this video. If it helped, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and I will see you next time.